Get ready with me using products from Swiss Beauty. First is a lip liner. Its shade name is Hot Red L29. Then I use lipstick from same brand Swiss Beauty 01 Russian Red lipstick shade name. This lipstick is incredibly smooth, lightweight and soft texture. Next one, highly pigmented long wear eyeshadow that goes on creamy and dries to an intense vibrant finish. Shade name Royal Blue 08. I love this brand and highly recommend it to others. Why I love Swiss Beauty brand? If you are looking for a good and affordable brand, quality is also good. I have been using their products from a while now, and also all skin tone product available in this brand. Want to hide dark circles, dark spot and pigmentation around lips? Try the Super Concealer from Swiss Beauty. This Swiss Beauty Concealer effortlessly hides your blemishes, dark spot and fine lines by giving an instant and full coverage and smooth finish. Next one is Baked Blusher and Highlighter. Its luminous silky formula makes your cheeks glow.